$25 dinner challenge. I am making our favorite dinner, chicken fettuccine alfredo, for a family of 5 of us for $5 each with all of Walmart's private brand labels. What you'll need is chicken breast, some Parmesan cheese, and this one is an Italian style mix, cream, onions, and garlic loaf. This is only $1. Fettuccine pasta. I have a spinach and spring mix, tomato, and broccoli. Lastly, I have some balsamic vinegar for our salad. Cook your pasta al dente. I have some oil in a pan. I'm adding some minced garlic, chicken tenderloin, blanching broccoli in boiling water. I'm sauteing some garlic and onions in some butter. Add our heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, Italian style cheese. Yum. Pasta in. Garlic bread, I have some melted butter and garlic. Just gonna spoon this right on top. Put this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Let's make our salad. Tomatoes, a little bit of onion, broccoli, balsamic vinegar. I added a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. Ta-da! Here it is, our $25 dinner. $5 a person. Dinner's ready. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Thank you.
Mom, gotta get a bit of everything. It's so cheesy.
So good. Oh my god, babe. Thank you, baby.